In this lecture, guys, I want to talk about mentioning your merchandise from the stage when you're performing, whether that's in between songs or at the end before you get off the stage. It blows me away that so many bands don't do this. They don't take the time to do it, or they don't do it well because they feel uncomfortable about telling people about merchandise. But look at it. They're there to see you perform. You just rocked their faces off. You just sung songs that really touched their lives. Tell them about your CDs. Tell them about the deal that you got back and how excited you are about this new merchandise design you got back there. You don't have to be weird and awkward about it. You can be encouraging and exciting and be like, hey guys, we just got our new CD. It's got that song we just sang on it that you guys were rocking out to. We'll sign it for you. Would love to meet you at the back and hang out with you after the show. Come meet us there. We'll take photos with you as well. People get excited about that, and you know what? They go back. And I encourage you, during your show, if you can at least mention it once, if not twice, or even 3 times, if you can fit it in there, at least 2 times will make a huge difference at the middle and also at the end of your show. You do it at a high point where you're really connected. You just want to say, hey guys, thanks so much for coming to the show. It was awesome hanging out with you. We got this new shirt design at the back about this song, or it's got this on it. Would love to sign it for you and hang out with you guys at the back. Again, at the end of the show, you could be like, hey guys, thanks so much. This is our last song. We'd love to meet you and sign autographs at the show. We brought a bunch of merchandise. We got these new sick hoodies that we just got done. They got our logo on the back and our new album cover lyric or something like that, and would love to meet you at the back. Just mention it. Just mention it. Or maybe you want to say even this. Say, you know, tonight we're giving away our free music or free CDs if you sign up on our email list. Say anything that you can to encourage people to go back to the merchandise table. Sometimes we'll say, hey, we're giving away a free skateboard or a free this if you sign up at our email list at our merchandise table. Whatever you can do to encourage people to go back to the table to meet you and hang out is amazing. Some bands will even turn around and take a photo with them in the audience, right? And then they'll say, hey, if you want to get this photo that we just took of all of us together, go sign up on our email list and we'll email it to you for free, or it'll be on our Facebook. Go follow us on Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat and we'll post it. This is great ways to engage with your audience and build that relationship, because this is the thing. You know, you connected with them. You rocked their faces off. You performed. You shared a story. You guys shared an intimate experience together. How can you continue that relationship with them? Well, by them buying your CD, wearing your shirt, something that they remember to that night. You know, I've heard some bands even just say, hey, you know what, tonight we just want to, you know, really share this experience with you. We're doing this thing with our music, is pay what you want. If you don't have any money, please still take a CD because we want to share tonight with you. And he was amazed at how many more CDs he sold, merchandise he sold, just by saying, hey, I just wanted to connect with you guys. And people even paid more than the standard $10 for a CD. Some people paid $20, $30. I'm sure some people only paid $1 and some people took some for free. But the thing is, you're building fans. And then the next time you go and play that city or play that club, you know what? You're going to have even more people. You want to think about building for the long term.